All right, guys, we're back here at IAA checking out cars. We had a request to show cop cars. So today, we got two of them that we found so far, and we're gonna show you guys around and what's the damages and what they come with. So let's check them out. So this one is a 2017 Ford Explorer. Smashed in the front. Here's the frame rail. Should be straight, but it's not. Comes out at like a 45-degree angle. So, I mean, there's the engine. The radiators, the hood, the grill, all busted up. The wiring, most of it's messed up. Oh, here's the other frame rail. That should be straight. And let's go see what's inside. So the airbags didn't deploy. So this car has 46,000 miles. Like I said earlier, the airbags are good. The interior is a cop interior, so it's missing carpet, it's missing the center dash. It's got random screw holes. Comes with the spotlight, but the light itself is not there. It's got a ballistic panel, whatever that means. And then also on the back, it has some of the wrecked and damaged parts. So it's got the original grill guard that I was on here. It's pretty destroyed. All right, so this looks like a siren, or I don't know what this is. Some kind of device. Has just a bunch of broken parts. I'm sure some of these plastics are still usable. They're all worth a lot of money at the dealer. Got the headlights, so I'm sure there's parts off of there that you can use for the headlights and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, there is also one more that we've seen so far, so let's go check out the other one. All right, so this one looks the same. It looks like it came from the same place as the other one did. The damage is also in the front. So that one was pushed that way. This one is pushed that way. And this one also has a custom hood. It has a Honda hood. I don't know if this is only for the police cars that they do this, but yeah, the hood is a Honda hood. Yeah, so pretty much same damage. Fenders, frame rails are kinked over. That's taped up. Taped up. We'll show you guys as much as we can. The radiator might be good, we're not sure. And then let's check out the interior. Interior looks just like the other one. And then one thing we noticed on the other one, and then also this one, so the tires, they're actually called Pursuit tires. So, what a coincidence. And then this one also has some of the parts I'm sure like these are good. You could reuse those. The grill emblem might be reusable. Just some random miscellaneous plastics that you can use if you were to buy this and rebuild it. So if you wanted a cop car just to drive around, you could just buy this thing, fix it up, and it'll just look like you're a cop. All right guys, hopefully you like this type of video. This was a request from a subscriber, so we went ahead, found the cars, did a quick video on them, showed in-depth damages, the interiors, the body of the cars. If you guys like these kind of videos, comment below on what else you guys want to see. Special cars, like I said, that you guys have requests for us to go out and take a look at for you guys. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.